Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Toyota RAV4 2.5 VVT-h Excel CVT 4-wheel drive, which is a petrol hybrid automatic, and this vehicle is ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have LED Projector Headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have your 18-inch 10 Y-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing the white exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Along with an electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a huge amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at your rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest for either passenger, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round you can see that lovely upholstery once again, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort for any journey. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and once you've found this comfortable position you are able to save it, as it is also a memory seat. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your volume controls and hands-free options, allowing you to do several things via the touch of your fingertips, and you also have your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 77,987 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you need, including your external media connection options by USB or AUX, your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to, Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. Along with this, you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. In the front of the car you can find your front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. You also have your different driving modes, including EV mode and Sport, and of course you have your USB port and your AUX point, allowing you to connect to external media to the car. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.